Do you have a long arm and you are dying to learn more? Hi, I'm Reva with Quality Sewing and Vacuum, and can you believe it? This is the amazing Kristina. Yes, you have seen her on YouTube lots. She is an excellent quilter. She is a spokesperson, a vision for Handi Quilter. But you know what? The best thing is, this is my personal thing, is I've taken classes from her at the Handi Quilter training, and I walk away with my brain full and my inspiration off the chart. So Kristina, you are coming and joining us this December for an owner's class. If you have a long arm of any kind, you wanna sign up. Oh, and by the way, it's really limited seating. We only have very small amount of people we can put in this class. But tell us a little bit about what's your favorite thing about quilting and what are we gonna learn in the class?
My favorite thing about quilting, that is a tough one because it's everything. I like to say, you know, people ask, what's your favorite tool when you're quilting? I'm like, whatever tool happens to be in my hand. So I'm going to say the same thing with my quilting. Just whatever I happen to be doing, that's my favorite thing, except binding.
Right.
Yeah. We'll just put
someone
that
else can do that.
Yeah. So I'm really excited for this class. I love working with owners, and I love that you touched on the inspiration, because that's one of my biggest things is inspiration and building confidence. So we're going to work on a fun project in this class. So I'm going to just show you a quick little sample. I'm going to hold that up there. We're going to make these Christmas trees. And
I'll hold it behind you while you chat.
Okay, so we're going to be working on a lot of different techniques. So piecing on the long arm. We're going to be using Pro Stitcher in this class. We are going to be doing couching. We're going to play with different types of threads and different designs. And we're just going to play. So the whole day, we're just going to play and have fun and create a Christmas tree.
So basically, this is a holiday version of a quilting Disneyland.
Oh, that's a lovely way to put it.
Right?
Yeah.
So even if you don't have Pro Stitcher or you've never done couching before, maybe you're don't have a great hand at a certain technique, it doesn't matter. Come, learn, and have a great time.
Yeah, and the best thing about this is there's so many different things that we're going to be learning. So if there's one thing that you don't really like, that you don't plan to use, you don't have to, but you're going to be getting some inspiration and different ideas and different skills.
Well, and the other thing too is maybe you'll fall in love with a technique you didn't know that you would like, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we have the class coming up in Silverdale, December 3rd, and in Mount Vernon, December 6th. So make sure you go to our website, qualitysewing.com, and you want to sew. It's Long Arm Adventures, so you want to sign up for that. And heaven's sakes, if nothing else, come because Kristina is there. Anyhow, we will see you at class.